We've been incredibly blessed. We work hard. We don't stop. We don't stop. We
Right.
just keep moving forward, and we get you taken care of.
Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Airing of Grievances. My name is Eric Raymer. That's Robert Grieve, and this is a special occasion. We're so grateful that you've taken time out of your day to join us for ours, and especially this one. And I'll let you know why in just a moment, but if you haven't done it yet, take a moment to click that subscribe button and the thumbs up like button. Both of those, that would help us immeasurably because that tells YouTube that this is content that's worthy of sharing. And on that note, let's do this. Happy Saturday to you.
Happy Saturday to you. My dear friends, thanks so much for tuning in. Appreciate all of you. Love the comments and the talking back and forth while we're airing this. It's all good stuff.
Yeah. If you are here for the premiere, you know that we're chatting with you live, and we love doing that, absolutely. And now Rob.
Breaking news, breaking.
Right? If you can't tell, we're a little excited today, and that's because yesterday something very special happened, and we're super excited about it. And so with that being said, Rob, let's just cut straight to the chase. We don't talk a lot about many of the accomplishments or recognitions that Nylund's Collision Center here in Englewood, Colorado has achieved over the years,
and we've been incredibly blessed.
They are numerous and represent this man's heart and vision for the guest here in this business. They're not just customers to us, Rob. They're guests.
They're guests.
They're family. And
so many.
And we do everything that we can with them as our focus, and that translates into winning award after award after award, and that spans well more than a decade of various things. It's safe to say that this brand, Nylund's Collision Center, has won every single award in the industry that has been offered to the industry in this region. And so, and again, I know that you're a humble man. I'm doing the bragging, if you will. But the reality of it is, it's an honor to be here. But we were put into a different category this time. And what this video is here to talk about is the Better Business Bureau, an organization that is
pretty well known
all around the country. The Better Business Bureau offers every year a very small handful of businesses the award called the Torch Award. And it's the Torch Awards for ethics. And we can't keep it in Rob, we won.
Yep.
We won for the year 2023 the Torch Award for ethics for the Better Business Bureau, which our region is basically from Colorado west, all the way west to Hawaii and Alaska. And we're the only body shop
Collision, yeah,
in the entire that region of the country that even was become a finalist. And then
I was just blown away when we became a finalist.
Yeah, it's a big thing. In fact, let's talk about why it's so big. First of all, you have been a member of the Better Business Bureau with Nylund's Collision Center from day one. Is that correct? Mm-hmm. Tell me why.
Oh, I mean, why wouldn't you be? They stand for everything good, and you know the BBB is a gigantic consumer advocate type of organization, and they take what they do very, very seriously, and they help a lot of people. and they report when they see things that are consistently going wrong in certain industries, or maybe at a business, or scams, or whatever the case may be. They're constantly alerting consumers,
Right.
and that is their life. Their life is advocating for consumers.
Yeah.
And why wouldn't you want to be part of that if you also advocate for consumers?
And there it is right there. If you also advocate for consumers, which is basically all that you do. When you wake up in the morning to the time you go to bed at night, you care about the people who bring their vehicles to us, and their safety, right?
Every last one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Every last one.
So the Torch Awards for Ethics, I heard you speaking of this. We've been in the nomination process and then the finalist process for the last couple of months now. And I heard you speaking to somebody about a month ago, and you said that this award, and we have many that we've won over the years, but this award means more to you than all of those combined. And I'd like you to talk a little bit about why that is, and share with our viewers why we're even talking about this.
Well, I was blown away when we were even given an application,
Yeah.
and then even more blown away when we became a finalist.
Yep.
And, you know, what award would you want to get that is bigger or better than recognizing the ethics and the integrity
Yeah.
and, you know, those types of character traits
Right.
that make a business truly consumer focused?
Yeah.
And it was, you know, I don't even really know what to say. It's just, it's amazing.
Yeah. It's still settling in for us because it's so fresh. Literally, the awards were at the time of our filming here yesterday afternoon, about this same time, and it is setting in. And by the way, there were hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of applications to participate in this event, and in many cases only one or two winners in any kind of a region. So just humbling for me to be a part of this. I've known you, I've worked with you for 14 plus years, and I'll tell you something. The reason I love coming in every single day is because I love what you stand for. And I love the way that the people who come to you can know that you are going to do the right thing, even if it's not the most popular thing, even if it's not the most inexpensive process. It's the right thing.
It's the right thing.
Yeah.
It's the right thing. And, you know, our job is to protect consumers.
Right.
And while we do that, we don't only do it here in these four walls.
Yes.
We help people all across the nation with different problems and stuff like that. And, you know, that's my give back, if you will, helping the community. And we'll, you know, in videos to come, we've got some stuff to show from one of our other viewers, and lots to learn from that. And, you know, he's in Texas.
Yeah.
You know, and we're doing our best to help him from there. But, you know, I've been blessed with a lot of knowledge and surrounded by just amazing people that have pride in what they do and understand the culture here of learning and training and executing and paying attention to the details and making sure that everything works as designed.
Right.
And when we give you back your car, it is, you know, it's operating as it's supposed to operate. And there's many, many shops out there like that.
Yeah.
They're hard to find.
Well, they're a little easier to find by, we'll provide you with this phone number right here, which is our phone number. And if you have any questions, or if you're looking for help and you don't live right here in the Denver metro area, give Rob a call. If he can't answer your question directly, he will definitely put you in the right direction
do my very best
to find somebody who can answer your
We
question.
haven't failed yet.
No,
We haven't
no.
failed yet.
And it is the fact that we have been recognized in this 2023 cycle as the Better Business Bureau Torch Award winner for ethics that we want to encourage you. If you're a body shop owner and or manager or in the industry at all, you can involve yourself in such competitions. And hopefully, if you're doing the things that get the nod from the people who, let's talk about the people who judged this.
They were all past recipients of the awards. They are the people, not the BBB.
Right.
The past award recipients are the ones that choose the new award recipients. So
Right.
that's even more of an incredible.
Yeah.
I mean, just the whole thing blows me away, and I am. You know, there was one other thing that we received that was close to this, and that was the Patriot Award for helping out the military families of people that were deployed.
Yes.
And the Department of Defense awarded us with the Patriot Award, and that is probably right up there
Yeah.
with this one. And like I said, we've been incredibly blessed. We work hard. We don't stop. We don't stop.
Right.
We just keep moving forward, and we get you taken care of. And I have so many friends in the industry. Many of them will be watching and typing in here. If you're one of those people, put a comment in there.
Yeah.
You know, we'll support you folks as well. So,
Absolutely. Well, thank you for taking the time out of your day to share your thoughts behind the humbling, flattering, and amazing news of this award. And Rob, on behalf of all the people out there who are watching us, congratulations.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Cheers, my dear friend. Cheers. It's a great day for us here. We're blessed beyond belief, and we'll see you next Saturday. I hope you have an amazing week. God bless. Peace out.